Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Reserpine contains a pentacyclic framework, the indoline dihindole ring, a 6-membered ring fused to it, a piperidine ring containing N, and a cyclohexane ring bearing the ester substituents. Moving on to the next step. 1C3. The carbon at the junction of the indoline and the next ring bears H, part of indoline C2 ring carbons, chiral. 2C3A. Ring junction between indoline and cyclohexane type ring, chiral. 3C15. Or equivalent ring junction carbon connecting piperidine to the indole system, chiral. 4C20. Bridgehead junction involving N-containing ring, chiral. 5C16. Carbon bearing the methoxy group on the D ring, chiral. 6C17. Carbon bearing the carbomethoxy, ChO3 group, chiral. 7C18. Carbon bearing the OC is equal to O, CH2AR ester group, chiral. 8C19. Carbon bearing OCH3 on the E ring, chiral. 9. One additional ring junction carbon in the BC ring fusion, chiral. Moving on to the next step. Reserpine is known to have 9 stereocenters, 6 of which are on the DE rings and 3 on the ABC ring system, giving a total of 9 chiral carbons. And for the final step, B. 8 undercounts by missing 1 ring junction stereocenter. C. 7 undercounts by 2. D. 6 significantly undercounts, perhaps only counting the D ring carbons. The well-established stereochemistry of Reserpine confirms 9 chiral centers. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.